Hey guys, it's your girl Jamila and you are crafting with the penny pinching wife. Today's video will be another sublimation one and we'll be making some super cute ribbon. I have everything you need in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.
Alright guys, to begin the tutorial, we'll be doing our design in Canva. So you'll head over to canva.com and select US letter document. Or if you're not using the 8.5 by 11 size paper, go ahead and enter your custom dimensions, okay? Sublimation paper comes in 8.5 by 11, 11 by 17, and 13 by 19. But today I'll be using 8.5 by 11. So this part of the tutorial is very similar to my how to make socks tutorial and how to design a notebook cover in Canva. Okay, I'm just going to basically insert the images that I want to use and size them to the size of the paper. Right here, I'm just using a digital background that I purchased off Etsy. And the SVG of the ballerina I'll be using today came from diversesvg. And that link will be in the description box, okay? So my digital background paper and my SVG that I'll be using, I'm just uploading those right now. And if you guys aren't already a part of my Facebook group, make sure you go ahead over to Facebook and search the Penny Pinching Wife. There's 3 questions you need to answer, and then I'll be able to accept you into the group, okay? It's a great group. It's a great group of women. We help each other out with projects. We show off our work. We talk about the tutorials and many other things that go on in the group, okay? So if you have a question about my tutorial, if you need a little bit of help on another project you're working on, I highly recommend joining the group. So now that I have my SVG and my background uploaded, I'm going to go ahead over here to elements, and I'm going to grab a square, and this square is going to act like my ribbon, okay? I'm going to use it as a template. So my ribbon is about 1.5 inches. It's either 1.5 or 2 inches wide. So that is the size I'm going to make. That is the width I'm going to make my box. And I'm just going to make the length the size of the paper. Then I'm going to take my SVG and size it down to fit inside my box. And I'm going to flip her. Remember, anytime you're working with sublimation, to flip your image, okay? And then I'm just going to duplicate her and fit her as many times as I can into this box because I want like a continuous pattern. And that's pretty much it as far as the design part of this tutorial. You can use any design program you want, but I just choose to show you guys how to do it in Canva because a lot of people, you know, don't have Photoshop or GIMP or Affinity or any of those design programs, and those can be a little bit complicated, but Canva is super easy and you can still make some super cute designs from using it, okay? So now that I have my pattern laid out, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this and fill the page up with this same design. Now, I can't sew, but I think if you make like those ribbon tutu things, that this will be super cute and a great way to maybe offer a different product or service to your customer. I wish I could sew. I tried to make a ribbon tutu once, and I was like 1 hour in, and I was just like, yeah, I'm good. Sewing isn't my thing. But this would be, making different ribbon like this will make the tutus really stand out and be extra cute. So once I have my images all ready to go, we're going to go ahead and hit download. And we're going to save it as a PNG. Make sure you save it as a PNG. It automatically goes to a PDF, but you want a PNG, and then just hit download. And once again, guys, everything I'm using in this tutorial will be in the description box, okay? So make sure you check the description box after this video. So now that we have our images created and downloaded, we're just going to go ahead over and open it up and then just print it. But there are a couple printer settings we need to change before we print. So you're going to make sure that you have the correct printer. So I have 2 printers. one for sublimation, one for regular stuff. And we're going to change our paper settings to, it should be premium presentation paper matte, but I actually clicked the wrong paper right here. But premium presentation paper matte is the correct setting that you want to use for when you're printing sublimation. And then you want to put your output quality to high. But even though I picked the wrong paper, it still came out super cute. And then we're just going to go ahead and print, okay? And then once I have everything all printed out, I'll just go over here and cut my image into strips. I love this little cutter right here, you guys. I really suggest that you guys get one, okay? It is a lifesaver. Now I have my ribbon and I have my image, and I'm just going to apply some heat tape to like the bottom and the top of the ribbon, so when I flip it over, the design doesn't shift. Cover my design with some butcher tape, press it 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and here we go. Gorgeous. I love it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Join my group on Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time.